Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how event handlers and events work in C Sharp. So to demonstrate that, we are going to create a class student, okay, and it will have properties roll number and properties name, okay, and then we are going to have another class classroom, which will have basically a list of students, right? And in its constructor, we will initialize the students, right? And we'll provide a method such as public void add student. This takes students, and all it does is simply students dot add s. Okay. So whenever you add a student in a classroom, it will generate some event, and on that event we will do some operation. So the student will have a display method display. So this will simply display the student information. Student roll number is roll, and his name is name. Okay. So here what we will do is we'll create an instance of classroom. So where classroom is equal to new classroom room, and in this classroom we are going to add a student. Let's say new student. Roll number is equal to 11 and name is equal to say Girish, and that's one student. Say add another student, add third student. Simply change the roll number 1, 2, 3. Change these names to something, say Ajit and Suhas, and then yeah, that's it. Let's say now what we want to do is here in the classroom, whenever we add a student, we want to have some event handler. Okay, now this event handler will say student added. Okay, right, and we are going to simply invoke it. So this dot invoke, right? So here uh, the argument is sender, this, and new event args. Okay. So this is a normal way of publishing some event and subscribing to that event. I will show you how to do that. So we have a classroom dot student added. This is the event we are subscribing it using on student added, right? So if you do alt enter here, it will say that whether you want to add this, and here you can say student added. Okay. So with this, if you run, you'll say that student added. But now we want to display the details of the student. Okay. So how do we do it? What we can do is very simple. This is our event, and we can have another class, public class student event arguments args. And we can derive it from event args, and in this our member can be a simple student. Okay, yes, maybe we can have a property with the student. Yes, okay, right, and we can use this argument. So what you can do is you can assign it like this, and when you assign it like this you have to use it here, and in this you can say s is equal to s, and this should work. So the student event argument will come here. So you'll have to say student event argument, right? And here you can say student added plus e dot s dot roll number plus name is e dot s dot name. Okay, like that you can display. And now when you run it, student added 11, 12, 13, name is Girish, Ajit and Suhas. That's how you do it. So with this assignment, with this small application, we have seen that how to create a argument class, yeah, deriving from event arguments, how to declare the event, okay, using this syntax event handler, if this is some typical data that you want to send along with the event, and how to add a listener to this event, and then how to invoke the event. Okay, so this is how we use events in C Sharp, and yeah, that's it. Thank you.